That's an augmented chord. G minor, G major. Here's another good tip actually. On the last episode we discussed a D shape, triangles. If you invert that triangle and it's just one higher, so you got your D7, so if you go up to a D7 sharp, yeah, that's actually a G major diminished. Hey everyone, welcome back to Rowan's Guitar Labs. I'm going to try and get my voice a bit quieter. I'll try and keep it down because I'm learning about audio and guitars and, you know, I'm new here. Right, today's lesson we're going to discuss, we're going to go back to C, F, G, but at first I just want to teach you a little tip. If you're on a G major there, which is literally on the cage system on the E, and that G major there, that'll be a G minor, that'll be a G major. Concentrate on the high strings, that position there, pinch them two, pinch the one above it on the third string, on the fourth fret. That's your G major triad. If you do that flat, that's your G minor triad. If you go, that's an augmented chord. G minor, G major. Here's another good tip actually. On the last episode we discussed a D shape, triangles. If you invert that triangle and it's just one higher, so you got your D7, so if you go up to a D7 sharp, yeah, that's actually a G major diminished, because you're only hitting the three strings, where a D7 is you're up on the D. You can even have the A in. So here's another good tip, back to the D. Slide it down to the 12th. You've got a C, E, G there now, that's a C. If you invert it there, you've got an F diminished. To C. But today's lessons, I'm going to talk a bit bluesy. Right, for example there, I'm pinching a C string, going D, instead of going to the E, I'm doing it one behind it, so that's now an E flat. We're going to learn palette on the floor because it's relevant to me. It's why I'm not at work, where I never got help from the forklift driver, and he'd sit there on his mobile phone in his big forklift at the company on a PAYE, watching me carry massive skirting boards in 2 doors at a time, and that's kind of why I was a bit broken, not through guitar. And so I mean, all it is an F, C, and you add on that G, G, E major 7, back to the F. And on the F, all I'm adding just some 3 notes. So all that is I don't really use that note. I'm also use that one and that one on the F. So you hit low E. So you kind of go low E, then flick up. So it goes, starts actually on a C, C7's the intro, and it goes into the F. And I kind of made up a bit of a bridge for the lead section, and he starts on an F, but I flatten it there and go like that. And I used the third note, I flatten the third note in an F, so it goes. Back to the C. And I kind of go C, G, diminish, diminish. And all that is F, G, C. But you have to find your inner metronome. On the floor, just make me down, pallet on the floor, make me a pallet down, soft and low, make me down, pallet on the floor. When I'm sleeping, my back and shoulders tired. When I'm sleeping, my back and shoulders tired. I'm asleep there, back and shoulders tired. So I go now tunnel the other side. Try to keep it short and sweet. Have I got? I just want you to play that. How easy was that? Just C major. That's a nice hammer on. Feel the C major. C, F, G. Stay with C, F, G, and when you get good with that G, slide it up to an A.